Okay, if you haven't saved this, let's go ahead and save this before we get too far here. So go to File, Save As. Mine's taking a while because it's off of the network. I want to make sure I save this as passenger section with your initials. Let's say mine is TD. You can put your own initials in there, or actually put your last name and first initial, and go ahead and click Save. Now we're going to make two sketches for this one. I'm only going to show you how to do one, and then you're going to do one on the front, and you're going to rotate it over and do one on the back exactly the same. So let's start a 2D sketch. Click on our face, and we are going to make a rectangle that is a certain dimension. So I'm just going to draw any rectangle on first, and then these sketches again will be on your canvas. I will put it on there. I'm going to dimension this rectangle. I want it to be 0.930 inches, and then on the top it'll be 2.4, and then from the edge I'm going to go ahead and project this geometry, just the top line and the bottom line. I'm not going to do the whole thing because it's going to make it harder to extrude later. So I'll go ahead and dimension this. I want this to be 0.30, and I guess I do have to project this side right here. I'm going to make this 0.385, and this should be the same. That's 0.385, and this should be 0.3. And actually, if I try and do that, it's going to say it was over constrained. So I'm good. Click Finish Sketch, and I am going to extrude this to, I'm going to make sure I want to cut it. I'm going to click, wait, sorry, go back. I'm going to click Extrude, and I'm going to click on my rectangle, and I don't want it to pop out like that. I do want it to cut, and I'm going to put in 0.57 inches, and I will click OK. And this is where this little plastic passenger socket thing is going to sit. You can see it in the pictures. We will fillet it in another step, but go ahead and repeat this on the back side, same dimensions and everything else, and make a new extrusion and save it when you're done.